I grew up in Honolulu, Hawaii, and I've been in Chicago for 10 years. And I am an art conservator. I work at the Chicago History Museum, and my focus is on photographic materials.
I moved from Fort Wayne, Indiana. I'm a singer and I'm a bartender, and I'm also in a band called Todd Henbrook and the Hemispheres.
Kind of like Victorian age weird shit meets 1960s. You know, we actually just went home about 2 months ago, and then it was
We went to your home.
Yeah, we went to my home. And it was hard too, because being back there, I really realized how much I missed it, and we just kind of went nuts as well and bought a bunch of stuff that reminded us of the tropics. And I think we sent, what, 5 or 6 boxes back? A lot of which were Aloha shirts. It's really hard for us, I think, to pass up like a used bookstore. We're both pretty insane about books. Like, I mean, just throughout the house. Like, I would say there's such limited space now for books that they're stacked on the floor, they're stacked on chairs, because anytime I'm gonna see something about works of art, it's like, it's my vice. I just gotta have it.
And I feel so weird too. I feel like so uncultured when she's like, anything with works of art, which is beautiful and is great. And I'm like, whatever has like the most serial killers in it. Globes, we have a lot of globes.
Yeah, we like the world.
I don't know why. I think we got a couple and then we just kept going. And the space itself is great, and the porch kind of sold us on the place too.
Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, I think it's one thing about like the stuff that you have. I don't know if this stuff would necessarily be as interesting to me if it was just kind of in a plain box space, you know? I think it should play off the space and vice versa. And at least they've been able to keep some of the original features, which is such a wonderful thing, especially in Chicago.